Did you know more than 61% of house fires start in the kitchen? We want to help you identify the common causes of kitchen fires and give our top tips to make sure you stay safe. Let's take a look. Distraction is one of the biggest causes of accidental kitchen fires. If you need to leave the kitchen when cooking, always turn the cooker off first. Never attempt to cook if you've had an alcoholic drink. Consider an alternative. Always keep your electrical items and cables away from water. Check your sockets are not overloaded. Items like toasters and kettles can use a lot of power. Always check there is nothing overhanging the hob when cooking. Tea towels or clothing can quickly catch fire. Remember, if you see a kitchen fire, rather than trying to tackle this yourself, always contact the fire service on 999 immediately. For more information and advice, please visit our website.